First up, let's tackle those outdoor spaces that have been neglected all winter. The gutters and downspouts have probably collected falling leaves, so clear out the debris. Uncover the outdoor furniture and give it a good wash. And don't forget to check the grill to see if it's in good working order. And your windows are sure to show the streaking signs of cold, so grab a bucket and clean the inside and outside panes. And while you're at it, wash or dry clean your draperies. You can also add some lightweight shears to lighten up the space. This is also a perfect time to see if your roof is in good shape. If you're not able to safely get on your roof to look for damage or collect debris, call in a professional. Replacing any missing shingles or cleaning up moss or mold could help you avoid a big roof repair down the road. Moving inside, spring is the best time to pare down any clutter you may have accumulated. To not feel overwhelmed, make a room-by-room plan. And don't put pressure on yourself to do everything at once. Start small and tackle one area at a time. Make keep, donate, and trash boxes so when you go through your clutter, you have somewhere to toss those items. Remember, if you haven't used an item in a year, you probably don't need it. One space that sometimes can get overlooked is the pantry. So take time and go through your canned goods to make sure nothing is expired. Then, make a list of the items you need to stock up on to get ready for the season, like barbecue sauce for upcoming cookouts. Now, we're not going to say you have to do a deep spring cleaning just yet, but our houses do get messy from being closed up all winter and little feet tracking in mud. So consider making a list indicating one room that you'll deep clean each week. And by the start of spring, you'll have the house sparkling for the season. Now that your space is clutter-free, it's time to decorate. You can re-energize your home by adding colorful pillows, throws, and duvet covers. Yellows and greens are popular colors this year and will add a fresh springtime feel to any room. And a simple rearranging of furniture can give your rooms a completely new look. However you decide to jumpstart your spring, just start small and you won't feel overwhelmed. And looking on the bright side, it's springtime.